You develop these habits over time. You develop good habits, you develop bad habits. Just be aware of what your habits are. So, when you leave today, hopefully you'll start thinking about, well, what are my habits? Because we're all creatures of habit, right? You get up at a certain time, you have a certain routine, you drive a certain way to work. It's so easy for somebody, if I'm a bad guy and I want to go rob your house, I'm just going to go watch them for a day or two and go, oh, well, they go to work at 8, and they get back at 5, and, the rest of the day it's open, or they go this way to work, or whatever. Creatures of habit. So change it every once in a while. Change your habit and see what happens. It's pretty amazing, just that one little thing. Take a different route to work. You're going to see something completely different. You're going to think about something completely different, and it gives you an opportunity to be a little more aware. You ever been driving on a long trip and you pull off to go to the bathroom and you get back on the highway and then there's a big accident up ahead that you would have been in if you hadn't stopped, and you're like, so I want to stop, right? It's kind of the same thing.